Out of the 42 2x2 CLL cases, this one must be the most annoying one because when these two pieces are matching and these two are opposite and you have assumed case, the case can be solved with RU, R prime, U prime, R, F, R, F prime, and RU, R prime, U, RU to R prime. That is a 15-move solution. And despite the fact that this case is really spammable, I always wondered if there is a better solution because this is just a combination of two cases. Turns out there is a 12-move solution for this case, so from this angle you can do R, F2, R2, U2, R prime, then F, R, U2, R2, F2, R. And for the mirror case, it's almost exactly the same algorithm, but you hold it from this angle and do R, F2, R2, U2, R prime, but then instead of F, you do an F prime and then undo. And if these two pieces are matching, you have no AUF. And even though this solution might not be as easy to spam, it might cancel out on some solves. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Subscribe and comment if you want a full CLL tutorial.